Infectious agents must overcome innate host defenses to establish a focus of infection. Our bodies are constantly exposed to microorganisms present in the environment, including infectious agents that have been shed from infected individuals. Contact with these microorganisms may occur through external or internal epithelial surfaces. The respiratory tract mucosa provides a route of entry for airborne microorganisms. The gastrointestinal mucosa for microorganisms in food and water. Insect bites and wounds allow microorganisms to penetrate the skin, and direct contact between individuals offers opportunities for infection of the skin and reproductive mucosa. In spite of this exposure, infectious disease is fortunately quite rare. The epithelial surfaces of the body serve as an effective barrier against most microorganisms and are rapidly repaired if wounded. Furthermore, most of the microorganisms that do succeed in crossing the epithelial surfaces are efficiently removed by innate immune mechanisms that function in the underlying tissues. Thus, in most cases, these defenses prevent a site of infection from being established. It is difficult to know how many infections are repelled in this way because there are no symptoms of the disease. It is clear, however, that the microorganisms that a normal human being inhales or ingests, or that enter through minor wounds, are mostly held at bay or eliminated since they seldom cause disease. Infectious disease occurs when a microorganism succeeds in evading or overwhelming innate host defenses to establish a local site of infection and replication that allows it to further transmission. In some cases, such as athlete's foot, the initial infection remains local and does not cause significant pathology. In other cases, the infectious agent causes significant pathology as it spreads through the lymphatics or the bloodstream, or as a result of secreting toxins. Pathogen spread is often countered by an inflammatory response that recruits more effector molecules and cells of the innate immune system from local blood vessels, while inducing clotting farther downstream so that pathogens cannot spread through the blood. The induced responses of innate immunity act over several days, while an adaptive immune response gets underway in response to pathogen antigens delivered to local lymphoid tissue. Such a response can target specific features of the pathogen and will usually clear the infection and protect the host against reinfection with the same pathogen. And that's infectious agents must overcome innate host defenses to establish a focus of infection. Have a great day.